The 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, front-wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.